morning. Right, so welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's good. And yeah, we're in Neston this morning, over there in the Wirral, making a delivery to Aldi. Sorry, I'm just reading that sign then. I thought I was turning left here, but it's the next left. Yeah, so we've got a bit of a multi-drop. Well, it is, I suppose. I'm doing a drop in Aldi. It's only 12 pallets. Self-tip. Where is it here? Oh, it's left here somewhere. There we go. There's a sign here. So yeah, self-tip here. Only 12 pallets. And then I'm going over to Morrisons, Northwich. That's one pallet. So hopefully it won't be too long in there. But either way, I don't mind being too long. I've got hardly anything on today. It's just this drop, the Aldi drop, the Morrisons 1 pallet drop, and then we're going off to Widnes to pick up some coils later. So it's a bit of a varied day compared to what I've had recently, hence the lack of videos. So yeah, I'm just going to record today, if you don't mind. 37, yeah.
Thanks for reminding me.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Just confirm arrival why I've got a chance. Yeah, so from what I remember, I go and park up on the right, facing the bays. Then I'll go in to the office and they'll tell me which bay to go on to. Ideally, I could have done with him not being there. He's blocking about 6 spaces there, this guy. So back up over here. There's people parked up and there's bays available, so I don't know what the crack is. I'll go in and have a look. One, two, three. Right, so we're on bay number 7. Quite busy in there, to be fair. So there was a couple of guys waiting just for paperwork. A couple of guys waiting to get on, like I am. But yeah, not unreasonably long. Just gonna get in here now, next to this Stobart / Great Burr trailer. Yeah. Let's go around here. So I need to open the doors. These bays are quite wide, so I'm not going up to the line. I'm going up to that the white line on the rubbers on the actual bay. If you can see that. So that'll do for now. I will open the doors and I'll speak to you shortly. So, nice and easy. That is done now. The back's all locked up. Whew. Time to get over to Morrisons. So yeah, about half an hour to do the unloading because I had to move it around. I couldn't just go straight out of the truck in a straight line. I had to go around and anyway, and then I had to wait another 15-20 minutes to get the paperwork back then and the keys. So bit of a faff, but it's not a hard drop to do at all. And we're off to Morrisons, Northwich. So that's further than what I thought it was going to be. It's 50 minutes from here. Yeah, I suppose I have to go back along the 56 and well, I'll go through the no, anyway. Yeah, I'll back along the A56 and then into Northwich that way. So yeah, 38 miles. I didn't think it would be that long. Like I say, it's just one pallet, then over to Widnes. So yeah, let's crack on. Speak to you in a bit. Whew. Right, so yeah, we're in Northwich now. In Morrisons. Well, not in Morrisons, we're at Morrisons. And it's 11:30 now. So yeah, I don't think I mentioned the time before. I got there about 9:05 into Aldi. And we left there roughly about 20 to 11. What the heck is this? Got no change. Sorry. Got no change. First time I've seen a snowman out and about. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. These are queuing to get in. I don't think I've ever saw it as bad before. I've never queued to get in. I've struggled to park up, but I've never queued to go and park up to wait. Right, yeah, so I think this driver in front has already dropped his paperwork off, so he's in the queue. What I don't want to do is anyone to come in behind me and do the same. Right, are we recording? Let me see, yes we are. We are ahead of a few people, so they have made that decision to get me tipped early. I'm on bay one, so I'm just going to spin it round and back up. That'll do. Like I say, it's just one pallet, so I won't be in this bay for long. Oh. So I've just got back in the cab and the the pallet's off. Good minute. It's gloves back on and get off the bay. Brilliant. That's what we like. Nice, quick tip. by the time I drive round, hopefully this Montgomery will move out the way to let me park up. Alright, it's space here at end, so I'm going to park up over here. How's everyone's way? There you go. Nice and neat. So I'll give it 5 minutes and I'll head over there. With it being busy, even though it's one pallet, they might not check it in straight away. So yeah, I'll give it 5 minutes. It's only 12 o'clock now. Right, so we are finally out of here. I waited 10 minutes, and it was just getting put on the counter as I was walking up to it. So it all worked out. So yeah, we're going to be heading off to Widnes now. I'm just going to stop at these toilets on the way out, but I don't need to tell you that. We're going to head over to Widnes. And get some coils. Now, I don't know if the train's going to be there or not, so likelihood is I'm going to just nip into base and just get some dinner, because it's 12:15. Be rude not to, and we'll go from there. But yeah, first things first, loo break. I'll speak to you in Widnes. Right, so I didn't record coming in to the Widnes rail terminal. You might see there's something missing, usually on these rail tracks. So yeah, it looks like the train is gone. But they've took off the coils that I need. So we're just waiting now. Opened it all up, ready to go. Our coils just over here. So these are the big coils. As you can see, they're quite big. See how evident this is. So that's 9 ton, that one. This one is, yeah, 8.6 ton. Looks like it's starting now, so we'll get loaded. Speak to you in a bit. And as quick as we got here, we're done. I didn't have a chance to set up my camera. It just started. You heard the engine starting, and you just literally put them two coils on. The 9 ton at the front, and then 8 ton or 8.6 ton, I think it is, just over the rear axle. Well, a bit more forward. So yeah, done and dusted. Because I don't like setting the cameras up when people are around. I'm still a bit conscious of setting the camera because it involves answering questions, what you're doing, things like that. And turned out he seen me recording when I was walking around, so he asked me, told him about my YouTube channel, and he subscribed. So yeah, welcome to the channel. I forgot to ask your name, sorry. Tell me next time, or you can comment down below. But yeah, very efficient, as always. Get through here. I'm always conscious of these type of trailers because they've got a low scooped underrun bar, like almost touches the bottom of that. I see some about and they're damaged, but yeah, we're good. Of course we're going to go through this big puddle. So yeah, we're done now. Yeah, so we'll get back to base about 3:10. So yeah, we're done and dusted. This might be the end of the video. See what the light's like when you're going back. Because technically it should stay light until 4 o'clock, but with the cloud cover, it might be a bit too dark. Let's see how light I look now. Does it look okay now? See what happens. If not, this is the end of the video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And yeah, I had another email this morning about promoting another product. Like I say, that would be a dedicated video just for that, and then that's more to be revealed if it comes. I've only got an email, so I'll accept it today and then see if it comes. It'll probably be after New Year now, probably. You never know, if it's quiet and it arrives soon, I'll get the video out. But other than that, yeah, I'll speak to you on the next one.